How to make awesome sandwich in 5 minutes. You will need 1 small French baguette, 1 can of luncheon meat, butter, ketchup, coleslaw salad, and pineapple honey mustard. Slice your baguette in half. Next, spread generous amount of butter on both sides. Next, slice your luncheon meat into thick slices and fry it on your frying pan medium heat with some butter until golden brown. It smells so good that my dog showed up just to make sure he will get some too. On medium-high heat, fry your baguette until golden brown. Add cheese meat and coleslaw salad. Next, a little bit of your favorite ketchup and pineapple honey mustard. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful meal.